Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another question for you guys. I want to start a series. Specifically, I want to start a series on how to make your own balisongs at home. So, like this type shit. Nothing really that hard or too difficult to do. But I want to make a series on how to make balisongs without power tools, but still like aluminium balisongs. So kind of like I have done. I mean, I made this balisong without tools, and this balisong without tools. And both of them, they're not the best flippers. But if you want to get into the hobby, and you really don't know if you would like it, then even a bad balisong that you made yourself could be great to, you know, just try out and see what you like. And also, I realized that on YouTube, there's not a lot of people who, like, teaches you how to make balisongs. And the ones who make balisongs and teach you how to make balisongs, either they are cardboard shit knives that will break if you just pinch them too hard, or they are real aluminium, like, or real steel, and things like that that you need to use power tools for. Well, what I want to do is something different. I want to make a series where you guys learn to make balisongs. They are not very good, but they're at least, I mean, they can take some punishment and still flip. So yeah, that's a series I want to start. And I also would like to make a video on this squiddy. It's still broken, so I just had a great thought. I want to ask you guys if you want a video on me making a aluminium blade for the squiddy. So that's like part 2 of customizing your squiddy. Just type in the comments if you want something like that. But this is a series I will do, even if you don't want it, because I think it's a great concept to make your own balisongs, and to make your own, and to be able to make your own balisongs without power tools. So yeah, look forward to that, and I see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.